Hello, my name is Hope Canfield, and today I'll be reading The Class Pet from the Black Lagoon. Mrs. Green is bringing in a class pet. She won't tell us what it is. She's bringing it from home, her home. I wonder what it will look like. Will it have spots? Will it have stripes? Will it have splotches? Will it have feathers? Will it have fur? Will it have scales? Will it have horns? Will it have headlights? Will it wiggle? Will it walk? Will it growl? Will it talk? Will it hop? Will it jump? Or will it just sit there like a lump? Mrs. Green says she's bringing a cage too. Don't lions live in cages? Will it be wild? Will it be mild? Can we pet it? Can we hold it? Can we take it for a walk? And what will it eat? Lettuce? Custard? Us? Maybe it will be a carnivore and eat cars. How many legs will it have? And how many teeth? 2, 4, 6, 8? What will we appreciate? Maybe it will be two animals stuck together like a kangaroo-ster? Or a camel-elephant? Maybe it will be a big bug or just a big blob. I'm scared. Mrs. Green says its first name is Dinah. I hope its last name isn't Sour. Well, here they come. 2 shadows cover the door. And steps Mrs. Green with a hamster. It doesn't look too ferocious. In fact, it looks as scared as we looked. I'm going to hug it and let it know that it doesn't have anything to be afraid of.
Hello, my name is Bridgette. I'm in 7th grade, and today I'll be reading The First Day of Winter. On the first day of winter, my best friend gave to me a red cap with a gold snap. On the second day of winter, my best friend gave to me 2 blue mittens and a red cap with a gold snap. On the third day of winter, my best friend gave to me 3 striped scarves, 2 blue mittens, and a cap with a gold snap. On the fourth day of winter, my best friend gave to me 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 bright blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the fifth day of winter, my best friend gave to me 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the sixth day of winter, my best friend gave to me 6 tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 bright blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the seventh day of winter, my best friend gave to me 7 maple leaves, 6 tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 bright blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the 8th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 8 orange berries, 7 maple leaves, 6 tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 bright blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the 9th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 9 big black buttons, 8 orange berries, 7 maple leaves, 6 tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 bright blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the 10th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 10 salty peanuts, 9 big black buttons, 8 orange berries, 7 maple leaves, 6 tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 bright blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap.
Belgium as a Farah and I'm in 7th grade. Today I will be reading Cooking with the Cat. Look, look, the cat wants to cook. Look, a book. The cat has a cookbook. We need a tin, will win. Which tin will win? The thin tin is the best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pots. Hot shot into the pots. A pot shot not so hot. We take a seat, we start to beat. No, no, no. We do not eat the treat we beat. Do not slop the glop on top. Stop, stop, stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Do not drop the mop in the glop. You heat the treat, a spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding! They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat.